Marc Anthony has filed a restraining order against Jennifer Lopez amid a fiery custody battle over their twins, Emme and Max. The shocking legal move alleges Lopez's controlling behavior is harming their children's well-being, prompting Anthony to seek court intervention. Lopez fiercely denies the claims, calling them baseless and hurtful. As the drama unfolds, the public is left reeling, with fans taking to social media to express their divided loyalties. This unexpected clash between the former power couple has cast a spotlight on the hidden turmoil behind their glittering public personas. When it comes to their twin children, Emme and Max, Marc Anthony has filed a protection order against his ex-wife Jennifer Lopez. The shocking court decision has brought attention to the troubled relationship between the famous ex-couple and has made people wonder about their children's well-being. The news came out early this morning when court papers showed that Grammy-winning salsa artist Marc Anthony had asked for a restraining order against Jennifer Lopez, the global superstar known for her acting career and hit songs. According to the papers, Anthony says Lopez's acts have hurt the health and safety of their 16-year-old twins. Marc Anthony's file lists a number of accusations, such as the claim that Lopez has been too controlling and manipulative when it comes to making decisions about how to raise their children. Anthony may be trying to keep his kids safe from what he calls Lopez's toxic environment, according to the papers. In the filing, Anthony said, "Jennifer has consistently undermined my role as their father. Her actions have caused unnecessary stress and emotional harm to Emme and Max, and I can no longer stand by without taking action." Jennifer Lopez hasn't kept quiet. She is known for being fiercely independent and having a strong public image. In a statement sent out by her manager, Lopez strongly denied the claims, calling them baseless and outrageous. Lopez said in her statement, "I have always put the health and safety of my children first. Not only are these charges hurtful, they are also completely false. I'm still going to do everything I can to keep Emme and Max safe." Emme and Max have grown up in the public eye because of their famous parents' jobs. Now they are at the center of a nasty court case. Close family and friends are worried about the twins, who are said to be having a hard time dealing with the ongoing strife. According to someone close to the family, Emme and Max are very strong, but this is really getting to them. There is no reason for the fights because they love both of their parents very much. Many lawyers have already said something about the case, and many of them have talked about how it might affect the custody arrangement. Family law attorney Laura Wasser said, "Restraining orders in custody cases are serious and can change the dynamics in a big way. If Marc Anthony's claims are substantiated, it could lead to a reassessment of the current custody agreement." There have been quick and mixed reactions from the people. On social media, fans of both stars have said what they think. Some support Anthony while others support Lopez. Twitter has been buzzing with thousands of posts about the drama happening under the hashtag Marc vs. Jen. Both intense highs and rough lows have been a part of Marc Anthony and Jennifer Lopez's relationship. People in the music business saw them as a power pair after they got married in 2004. But they got divorced in 2011 and have been figuring out how to co-parent their twins ever since. Even though they are different, both have said in public that they will put their children first. This new development, on the other hand, shows that their road as co-parents has not been easy. With all eyes on the courts, everyone will be interested in how this dramatic part of Marc Anthony and Jennifer Lopez's story ends. A lot of people like both stars, and the result could have long-lasting effects on how their families interact. Fans and the media will be keeping a close eye on things for now, hoping for a solution that puts Emme and Max's safety first. They are the real innocents caught in this high-stakes fight. The friendship between Marc Anthony and Jennifer Lopez has always been big news. When they met for the first time in the late 1990s, it was clear that they were meant to be together. In 2004, after being friends for years and admiring each other, they got married in secret. When they got married, they brought together two great Latino artists, and they worked together in their professional lives as well, putting on memorable shows and making hit songs. What seemed like a perfect marriage started to show cracks, and in 2011 they said they were splitting up. Anthony and Lopez both stressed that they were committed to co-parenting their twins, Emme and Max, even though they were no longer together. Over the years, they've been seen together a lot at family events, and what they've said in public suggests that they get along well and work together. Many people were shocked by Marc Anthony's protection order, because it is so different from how the public saw their relationship after they got divorced. The court papers say that Anthony says Lopez's parenting style has been too restrictive, saying that she doesn't let him spend real time with their twins or make his own decisions about their schooling and extracurricular activities. Anthony's filing also says Lopez is making the twins' lives very hard by constantly watching and pressuring them, which Anthony thinks is hurting their mental health. The papers say, Jennifer's lifestyle and work schedule have caused a level of instability that is not good for Emme and Max's development. People who are close to Jennifer Lopez have told a different story. They say that Lopez has always tried to give her kids a solid and caring home life, even though her job is very demanding. There's no doubt that Jennifer loves her kids, a close friend said. Even though she has a lot going on, she has worked hard to make sure they have a balanced life. Lopez's team has also said that Anthony has been busy with work and hasn't been able to be there much lately. This suggests that his recent actions may have been caused by personal grudges rather than real concern for the twins' well-being. Emme and Max are caught in the middle. They have grown up in the public eye. At 16, they are at a very important point in their lives, and the current court case could have a huge effect on their mental and emotional health. Reports say that the twins have been going to therapy to help them deal with the fight between their parents. There have been a lot of responses to the news in the entertainment business. Other famous people have spoken out in support of both Marc and Jennifer, hoping for a peaceful end to their relationship. Family law experts are still looking into the case, and many of them think that settlement might be a better option than going to court for a long time. Nancy Grace, a legal analyst, said, "Family court is often not the best place to settle such deeply personal disputes. A more private and therapeutic way to work out their problems would be good for both sides." Fans and critics are still taking sides, so public opinion is still split. There are a lot of arguments on social media about what the real problem is. Some people feel sorry for Anthony as a father, while others support Lopez's right to keep her kids safe. A lot of news and tabloids have written about the case, breaking down every detail of the court records and making guesses about what might happen. The close attention has made things harder for both Anthony and Lopez as they go through this tough